To operate the EasyFit gate or the EasyFit pet gate with lockable cat flap, once the gate is installed, the first thing we'll do is we'll cut the cable tie, and this will enable the gate to be opened. To open the EasyFit gate or the EasyFit pet gate with lockable cat flap, the handle has a 2-motion locking mechanism. First of all, you push with your thumb, and second you hit the trigger, which raises the handle. Then this will enable you to open out. To lock the gate, again you close, you repeat the process in reverse, push and raise and drop it back into position. The gate also comes with an optional one-way restrictor. As you can see at the moment, the gate is restricted from opening that way. To change the one-way restrictor, we open the gate, we use the Phillips screwdriver to release the screw. We then push the gate through the other side, and then when it's in the other side, we turn the one-way restrictor over and re-put the screw in position and tighten back up again. And then this would mean that the gate would open only on this way up to this point.